media launch, this media roundtable. So I'm Tessa from the Airspeed Marketing team, and again, we thank you for joining us today sa ating media launch. We're delighted to have all of you today as we introduce this new program supporting and empowering our small and medium entrepreneurs. Thank you for taking time to join us today at Lola Cafe. So, hindi naman ito masyadong formal yung event natin. Meron lang short program, pero we will have time to sit down with you, answer your questions, para mas maipakilala pa namin yung aming SME program. And we have some engaging talks later that we have lined up, and some inspiring messages. It is my pleasure now to introduce to you the Airspeed Group's chairperson and president, who has been the guiding force behind the company's vision and success. And of course, an entrepreneur herself, Ms. Rosemary Rafael, for an opening message.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. At nagpapasalamat ako na you took time to be here with us, even if it's just like a small launch of our SME program. Airspeed started 39 years ago. Pero syempre, nung nag-umpisa kami, hindi yon B2C. Nag-uusap nga kami kanina, B2B lang yon. And so we really engage with the corporations, with the companies that are exporting, importing, hindi domestic. So tingin ko nun sa sarili ko parang pang-international, di ba? Pang-abroad. Kasi mga nag-e-export, yun ang mga kinakausap namin and all that. But through the years, and I can say that maybe I started it like 7 years ago, when from the international forwarding, we engage in doing domestic distribution. Yung domestic distribution siguro mga 10 years ago or 12 years ago. But then, from there, domestic distribution, bulk pa rin, hindi pa rin SMEs. But when we started SME program or dealing with SMEs like ating mga kaibigan dito ngayon, doon ko lang na-realize, ang ating bansa talagang mas lalaki, mas magiging mayaman ang ating bansa kung tayo itutulong sa ating mga SMEs, MSMEs. Siyempre, hindi naman biro ang makipag-deal sa mga MSMEs. Alam natin yun because they also have their pain points. But then for me, ang tanong nga kanina ng ating kapatid na, bakit, anong diferensya ng inyong program sa ibang programs? Kasi, kami dito, because we got exposed to MSMEs, we know their pain points. We can relate to their pain points. We do trade fairs because I also happen to be the chairperson of Women Business Council Philippines. We deal a lot with Department of Trade. We deal a lot with Department of Local Governments and other government agencies. In fact, I recently traveled with them to a ministerial forum that really exposed me to how it is to be a private sector collaborating and helping the government sector. Ako naniniwala na kung tayong lahat ay nagtutulungan at naiintindihan natin kung ano yung mga pain points talaga ng mga MSMEs, there is really anything is possible. Our country can be something that to be reckoned with by the other ASEAN regions. Kung sasabihin ng iba na, we're lagging behind, maybe there's a little bit truth to it. Our education, we're, the lowest in ranking, maybe there's truth to it. But I'm believing that if we don't focus on those things and just focus on what we can do as a person, as a company, as a group, as a community, nothing cannot be achieved. It can be achieved. So, itong aming launch ngayon is a launch for the SMEs. Mahirap, pero ano bang madali? Pero kung mahirap at give up na tayo kagad, hindi natin ma-achieve or gagampanan yung dapat natin gawin. So the SME program is something that is being championed by our other company called Amazing Philippine Digital Economic Corporation. We separated it because Airspeed is a company that's dealing with corporations or hindi talaga pang MSMEs. But we need to understand and to relate to the SMEs to be able to help them, to be able to assist them. Yung iba nga sasabihin, advocacy yan. Siguro nga, pero it's a purpose-filled and a driven type of work that we're doing to help them that eventually will help us also because we have to be sustainable eh. Paano kang tutulong kung wala ka namang kikitain at hindi ka sustainable at hindi ka scalable? Kailangan lahat yan sustainable, scalable. So, SME program is going to be discussed by Lai Bernardino, who is actually championing the SME program. We came up with different platforms to help the SMEs, and I really encourage each and everyone who's here, itaguyod natin ang ating produkto ng Pilipinas. Dahil pag taguyod natin ang produkto ng Pilipinas, ay tinataguyod din natin ang ating bansa kung saan tayo naririto, nakatila at nakatira. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you, RPR. So, to be honest, her vision, yung mission niya towards the SMEs, yun din ang naging driving force for Airspeed. Kaya kami nag-grow ng ganito. So, I'm not sure if everyone knows, but SM Investments is our strategic partner. We're part of the SM Investments affiliate, and very big supporters sila when it comes to SMEs. Same kami ng vision, same kami ng values that we have at Airspeed Group. So, thank you again, RPR. We're excited to introduce the SME program with you and to give us an overview about this exciting program for our entrepreneurs. I would like to introduce to you Ms. Lai Bernardino, our SME program lead and the OIC head of the Amazing Philippines Digital Economy Corp.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you're comfortable with your seat right now. I think we need to play a short video for you guys. Alright, so I hope you enjoy the video that we have shown you. We prepared this video for you guys. So let me give you a background first. So I started 9 years ago under retail companies and then 10 years e-commerce company. And I started I'm part of the team, Lazada team, who beat up 8,000 active sellers of Lazada right now. So, isa ako dun sa mga nag-umpisa ng mga sellers na nagbebenta digitally. Nag-umpisa sila na nagbebenta offline and then we transition them to selling online. So, how was it? It's hard because we've been talking to them for past few months and then tsaka lang siya mag-convert or mag-transition to online kasi nung time na yun, wala pang pandemya. Way back 2014 when we are starting marketplace. So this is the same vision that I have right now. So 19 years of experience under retail and e-commerce. I'm here at Airspeed right now. So there's a lot of pain points. I've been talking to different sellers, business owners, ano yung pain points nila. So one of the pain points that they have, gusto nila magbenta pero walang resource, wala silang pang-put up ng website, meron silang Facebook page pero hindi masyadong maraming followers, and sa media clutter na nangyayari ngayon after pandemic, nahihirapan sila magbenta. So another thing is, wala silang storage. Bakit? Kasi it's a parang business lang sa loob ng bahay. Meron ding seller na empleyado na nagbebenta din sa loob ng bahay na pag-uwi pa, tsaka siya mag-fulfill ng order. And tsaka lang siya mag-replenish ng stocks. Meron din gustong mag-export dahil magaganda yung produkto and very unique pero wala silang capability to export their products. So these particular pain points, we're able to help them under this SME program. So not only, and we are not only a logistics company offering end-to-end logistics service, but after that, after setting up this particular company, we came up with an SME program wherein we help our local SMEs grow their business, we empower them, we help them, their business to be more sustainable. So ano yung SME program na meron? So as we have shown you under this particular video, we have SME program that we are launching today. We have Pinaspeed, it's an online platform wherein our partner sellers like them, or our sellers na mga pinupuntahan namin during trade shows and forums and conference, we invite them to check on our online booking platform. This is just an entry level wherein SME or a seller, they'll have their parang sign up, chance to have another arm to send their products. Initially, they'll have an account manager, and after that, we will transition them to a bigger picture of what Airspeed is doing under end-to-end logistics service. So another program is Kahanga-Hanga Pilipinas. So this is one of the projects that really close to our heart. Why? We support local goods. This particular platform supports local products that are really product of different provinces here in the Philippines. Like Ms. Rafael's mentioned a while ago that we have been tying up with different government agencies, LGUs, and also private sectors, which can help these sellers to sell online. Ano yung mga produkto na meron kami? Ito yung mga sample na meron kaming product na in-onboard namin or in-enlist namin dun sa website namin Kahanga-Hanga Pilipinas. It's a platform where we sell local products, and these are part of our SME program and vision that we wanted to support all of these particular sellers to showcase their products using our platform. These sellers doesn't parang have any, or some of them doesn't have a resource to have their own web.com or website, and some are also selling at the page. Pero they are mostly digitally adapted na. That's for those that are not yet digitally adapted, we help them upload their products. So we give them assistance. Next program is the PUDO, or which is Pick Up and Drop Off Network Partners. So this gives more flexibility to our sellers to deliver their goods. So sample, may order sila. And they are parang, like what I said, may pain points. Nagbebenta sila online, tapos nagtatrabaho din sila sa umaga, sa gabi lang sila pwedeng fulfill ng order. So pwede silang pumunta sa mga retail kiosk namin, and then, or PUDO partners to drop off this particular parcel and send their products to their clients. Another thing is fulfilled by Airspeed. We also do handling and organizing of orders. So one of the pain points that we have discussed during the discussion a while ago is yung pain point na hindi nila, nahihirapan sila mag-fulfill pag overflow na yung order. So we have also this particular program wherein we handle all of the products. Kami yung nagpipick, nagpapack ng produkto. Especially those sellers that are under Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok already. We help them to fulfill their orders para hindi ma-cancel kasi benta na yun sa kanila. So yan yung mga, isa sa mga, yan yung mga programs na meron kami with Aptec and SME program of Airspeed. We also have digital customer service. So ano tong digital customer service? Ito yung we help these sellers to engage and give good experience to their customers. Pag may mga inquiry, alam naman natin pag nag-i-inquire, interesado. So we need to make sure that these particular questions are being answered para mag-turn or mag-convert siya sa benta. So we also help our sellers or our merchants to have this particular service. And then, so we are already envisioning SME program to help our sellers or merchants in the future. And in relation to these particular programs, we are also giving away up to 10% discount for all of the sellers or partners of Airspeed that will be signing up to our SME program. And then, at Airspeed, we don't want any business to be left behind. So we want every business to be successful or every sellers to be successful. So we don't only move goods, we don't only send products. We want our partners to be, to build their business, to impact their lives, and to build our community. So why we do local products or local brands? Bakit hindi yung mga international tsaka malalaki? So as Ms. Rafael mentioned a while ago, this particular local brands, they are the backbone of our community. So by supporting local brands, we support ourselves. So we foster local economy improvement. And then we also serve unique creativeness of our partners. So we wanted to envision everything as local. Bakit? Kagaya ng sabi ni Ma'am Rafael na we support them, we support our own. So, not only this, the SME program is just the start of what we have partnered with. We will have more and scalable plans as we move forward. And we have a lot of things to do and partner with the sellers and merchants, and hope you can help us also give this message to everyone and help us or encourage Filipino sellers to sell online, to patronize our products. Yun lang po. So, I think that's all for me. Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Lai. So, again, what sets the SME program of Airspeed apart from the different programs na ni-launch na? Honestly, this is not new. Marami po tayong mga other companies na nag-launch ng SME program. The difference with Airspeed is, we're scaling up, hindi lang, kami, kilala nyo kami as a logistics company, but we're giving so much more. Aside from international and domestic trade forwarding, we have partners like Philippine Airlines and FedEx who are giving discounts for the SME merchant, yung ating mga merchants na nakasign up sa amin. Aside from that, we are offering them fulfillment by Airspeed, so storage solutions and e-commerce fulfillment. So let's say, itong ating mga entrepreneurs, ano rin sila, may mga day jobs sila, may mga produkto sila. Hindi na nila kayang asikasuhin yung paglalagay sa packaging, sa bar, ng mga kung ano-ano, di ba, bago i-out. they can ask Airspeed. We can help them via the SME program to do all these things. We have the pick up and drop off facilities. So kung malalayo ang kanilang places, they can utilize the PUDO locations or PUDO partners of Airspeed. We have 5 in SM malls, and we're growing this kasi pati mga cooperatives, LGUs, kasama po sa PUDO program natin. Para ating mga merchants, hindi na sila problema how to send their items. Finance and market assistance. We mentioned that also. We are not a bank, but we have good financial partners. And kagaya ng Women's Business Council Philippines, we have a partnership through RPR, who is the chairperson of Women Biz PH, for those merchants na nangangailangan ng financial assistance. Yun yung ating may offer sa kanila. And last but not the least, trainings and trade shows. As mentioned, ating mga SMEs, kaya naman nilang lumaki, but they need assistance. They need to be educated. Kailangan nilang magabayan. So, kami, when we started in 1985, six employees, diba? Hindi naman ito naging overnight success for RPR and the team. It took us time. Kaya gusto namin to give back to these kinds of entrepreneurs. Sabi nga nila ay talagang ina-assist namin. So yun po, yun ang SME program, and we are hoping that through your stories, you can help us share and ask yung mga gustong magbenta, gustong mag-start ng negosyo, if they need assistance to grow their business, they can sign up via the SME program of Airspeed. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. Medyo meron pa tayong next part later on. But we'll cut this program para makapag-launch, and we'll sit down beside you. Pag may mga questions regarding the SME program, we'll discuss it with you. So, thank you. Happy launch to everyone.